Condensate removal pump. Little Giant Automatic Condensate Pump features safety switch, 1/2 gallon ABS plastic tank, and 6-foot power cord. 1/50th HP pumps up to 65 GPH. Automatic HVAC pump. Ideal for collecting, detecting, and automatic removal of condensate from air conditioning equipment, dehumidifiers, high-efficiency furnaces, condensing boilers, and other equipment where an automatic drain pump is required. Built to last. Stainless steel motor shaft, thermal overload protected motor, CSA certified to US and Canadian standards. Pump with safety switch. Includes safety switch which can be connected to shut down the air conditioner condenser or wired to an alarm to warn of possible tank overflow. Specifications: 1/50th HP, 115 volts, 1 amp, 60 watts, 3/8 inch OD barbed discharge, 65 GPH at 1 foot head, 15 foot shutoff, maximum 6.5 psi, 3 inlet drain holes, 6 foot cord, maximum water temperature, 140 F, safety switch included. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. It's a great little pump. I use it for getting rid of condensate from my dehumidifier on the lower level of a split. It does a great job. Today I was downstairs and heard it run for a cycle. It was a lot louder than I expected, but wasn't too bad. I can live with it. Some days I would empty the 50 pints twice. I like not worrying about it anymore.